Welcome back to our channel. I'm that arty mum Danielle, and here we create and share art-inspired ideas and activities to do with children. Today we're going to be going over some basic paint mixing techniques. If you're just getting started painting with kids and don't want to spend a ton of money on supplies, these techniques will help you get the most out of just a few bottles of paint. So let's get started.
For this exercise, we will be just using 4 bottles of poster paint or tempera paint in red, blue, yellow and white. First, we're going to use our 3 primary colours to mix up the secondary colours, which are orange, purple and green. For the orange, we're going to mix 1 part red to 3 parts yellow. For the purple, I initially mixed 1 part red to 1 part blue, which gave me more of a plum tone, so I added a bit more blue to get more of a deep violet colour. And for the green, we'll mix 1 part blue to 3 parts yellow. Now we've turned 3 paint colours into 6. When you're just starting out and setting up your kit for your little ones, mixing your colours like this straight away cuts the cost in half by buying 3 bottles of paint over 6. It might look a little tedious mixing on this little palette, but that's just for the purpose of this tutorial. When we have a sectioned kids palette like this, you can whip up a batch in no time. Next, we're going to mix up a batch of pastel coloured paints. To do this, we are simply going to tint blobs of white paint with the colours we just made. All I am doing here is adding a little bit of each colour to a clean brush and mixing it into the white. A tool you can use to make mixing your paint easier as well as preserving the life of the paintbrushes is a palette knife. But as we're trying to get the most out of the least amount of money, a paintbrush is perfectly fine to use, especially when we know the kids are going to be a lot rougher with the paintbrushes anyway. Now we have taken our 6 base colours and made a palette of 6 pastel colours for our kids to explore by adding just 1 bottle of white paint. To finish, we're going to take those 6 primary and secondary colours to make our own watercolours. Similar to how we made the pastel colours, we're going to use a pipette to make 6 little splashes of water, and then again we'll add just a touch of paint to a clean paintbrush to tint those little puddles. The more paint you add to your brush, the more vibrant your watercolours will be. If you were making a large batch of this, you could do it the opposite way by adding a little bit of paint to a sectioned palette and then watering it right down. I often do this when my toddlers paint to make cleanup a lot easier. Now we have turned our 4 bottles of poster paint into 6 primary and secondary colours, 6 pastel colours and 6 watercolour paint. You can explore these palettes separately or experiment with using them all together. I often see paint sets sold as primary colours, pastel colours, watercolours and so on, and the cost of all these supplies can quickly add up. By beginning with the basic techniques in this video, your child is able to explore the different mediums for a fraction of the cost, and then you can consider investing in more materials based on their level of interest and enjoyment. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, we'd love for you to like and hit that subscribe button below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye for now!